Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nadia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I DIY this cream that you can use every night to massage your scalp before you go to bed. And this hair cream is very good. It's very powerful when it comes to hair growth. And I'm going to be using this Virgin fertilizer today. Yes, and I will be adding some Vaseline and some Jamaica black castor oil. So these three ingredients are very good when it comes to strengthening your hair, moisturizing your scalp, and grow your natural hair. So when it comes to Vaseline, guys, Vaseline doesn't really grow your hair. I did a lot of research, and Vaseline actually doesn't grow your hair that much, but Vaseline can really moisturize your scalp. And the main ingredient that will really work for hair growth is the Jamaica black castor oil and the fertilizer. If you are from Africa, you guys might be familiar with this hair fertilizer. Hair fertilizer is very good when it comes to strengthening hair. It helps to stimulate hair growth by getting the blood flow going. It's also very good when you apply it daily into your hair, into your scalp, and it's also gonna deep condition your scalp and get rid of dandruff, and it can really stop your hair from breaking, and it can also moisturize your scalp if you're having a dry scalp as well. And hair fertilizer can really moisturize your scalp for a long time. This hair fertilizer into your hair daily, and it's not gonna harm your hair at all. So I added some Jamaica black castor oil into it as well. Jamaica black castor oil is also very great for hair, and it will moisturize your hair. If you have a thinny hair, it can really thicken your hair. It can strengthen and repair and increase hair growth. So Jamaica black castor oil is one of the main oil, my favorite oil that I do add into my hair DIY a lot. I love this Jamaica black castor oil. My hair loves it as well. But it's a very thick oil, okay? It might be too heavy for your hair, depend of the hair type that you have. So you might want to break it down a little bit with another oil, maybe another essential oil that you know that is good for your hair. You might want to add it together if you know that Jamaica black castor oil is too heavy for your hair. So you can go ahead and mix it with another oil before you apply it into your hair. So you just have to add all these three ingredients together, and you can place it in a hot water. You can just warm it up so that all the three ingredients can mix together, and then it's ready to use. Look how it's looking, guys. It's just yellowish because of the Jamaica black castor oil and the hair fertilizer. So this oil, you can apply it into your hair daily, okay? Daily, every evening I do apply this oil into my hair and then massage my scalp with this, and it's very good. It's really strengthening my hair, and I have been seeing a lot of growth. Just 1 month I have been doing it. I've been seeing a lot of growth, like my hair is coming out, and all the edges that was not thick before, they are all really coming out, and I'm so happy about it. So I just decided to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys will give it a try. And like I said, if you are not familiar with hair fertilizer, you might want to get it, okay? Give it a try. It's very good. The only thing that I would say is that it smells really bad, okay? For me, I don't like the smell at all, so that's the reason why I do mix it with another oil so that it can break down the smell a little bit, but it's still smelling, okay? So yeah, it's something that's like, if you're from Africa, you know how smell this product is. So you might already get used to it. But if you want to do like a challenge for like a month or 3 weeks challenge, you can go ahead and do like 3 weeks challenge, and after that you can rinse it out. Yeah, before I apply this oil into my hair, so I first went ahead to sprayed my clove water that I just make of recently on my channel. If you guys haven't checked that video out, you can go and check it out. So this clove water is also very good for everyday hair spray, and it also helps to moisturize your scalp, and it's also growing your hair, like strengthening your hair and promoting a new hair growth. Okay, so I sprayed this water first into my hair, and then I went ahead to apply the oil, and then I massage this oil into my scalp, and then you can cover it with any plastic bag of your choice, or you can just cover it with your hair bonnet before you go to bed. And yeah. You can use this oil every day, and it's really gonna help your hair to grow. So I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching me for the first time, leave me a comment if you have tried hair fertilizer. And in the meantime, hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye.